Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on the plus icon at the middle of the bottom. And then you need to select any post. I'm going to select this one. Then you need to click on this option. And then you need to click on next. And you can add any filter that you want. I'm going to add this filter. Then you need to click on next. Here you need to write a caption. You can tag people, add location. You can also post to Facebook, Twitter and Tumblr if you want. And then you need to click on advanced setting. You can hide like and view counts, any other option that you want. You can add paid partner label also. And then you need to click on tick mark, so you can see that how easily I post on Instagram. Let me show you a post. So you can see that I easily post on Instagram. So by following these steps you can easily post on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.